Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable apps from unknown source and sideload apps on your new up-to-date Amazon Firestick device. This is probably one of the first settings you should change on your Fire TV and Firestick, especially enabling the option install unknown apps. When apps from unknown source is enabled, you can sideload and install third-party apps onto Firestick. Not all the apps you want are available on the Amazon App Store. Many of them must be downloaded manually. So if you stick with me for just a little longer, and I'm gonna walk you through step by step everything that you're gonna need to know. Let's begin. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to hold remote home button for few seconds, and here you will find 5 options. So hold to settings and press remote select button. Once you enter the settings, slide down and click on my Fire TV. Scroll down and open developer options, and here you will find 2 options. So slide down and click on apps from unknown source. Warning message appear on your screen, so select turn on, and here as you can see apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now we can install any third-party application on our Fire Stick. After this, go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here we need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party applications. Through this app we can sideload any application on our Fire Stick. So just hover to find, slide down and click on search, and here type downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on downloader, and here click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button, and the downloader app start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded, and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see downloader app has been installed. Now select open to launch. When you launch downloader app first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photos, media and files. So just select allow, and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. And guys, this is the home screen of downloader app that has only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hover to small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type your website or app URL address, which app you want to download on your Fire Stick. So for example, I'm downloading here Live Net TV on my Fire Stick. After typing URL address, slide down and click on go button, and it will connecting to server. After that, app downloaded in few seconds, depends on your internet connection. After downloaded, installation section appear on your screen. So here slide hover and click on install. So here as you can see, this app has been installed. Now click on done button and delete this file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete, and again after deleting backup file, go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here you need to hold remote home button for few seconds. Click on apps, and here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire Stick device. So guys, you can use this method to sideload apps on your Fire Stick, and I hope this video was really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.